Thank you for your interest in the US 77 Odem Area Planning Study. This interactive map will help you look at the advanced route options that are being considered for this study. Once you enter the interactive map, you will notice a welcome window that informs you of the study purpose. Once you have read the information, you can click the X on the top right or click OK to access the map. To use this map, zoom in and zoom out with the scroll wheel on your mouse or the navigational tools in the top left corner. Click on the Home button to return the map to the initial view. If you are accessing the map using your handheld device, you can zoom in and out with your fingers on the screen. The Map Layers panel allows you to explore the study area, advanced route options, environmental features, and street labels. You can access the legend on the top right. It looks like a bulleted list. The legend is dynamic and will only show what is turned on and off. As you zoom in and out of the map, new items will appear in the legend to indicate what is visible in your view of the map. Let's look at the advanced route options in the Map Layers panel. Here you can view multiple options or individual advanced route options. You will notice a small arrow to the left of each layer which will expand to give you a variety of options. After you expand the advanced route options layer, you can turn on and off the individual or multiple advanced route options that you would like to see by clicking the eyeball or hide layer tool to the left of each advanced route option. As you zoom into the map, environmental features data begins to appear. This data includes features such as wetlands, floodplains, oil wells, cemeteries, and historic sites. Just like the advanced route options, you can turn on or off environmental features to only see the features you would like by clicking the eyeball to the left of each environmental feature in the Map Layers panel. For instance, if you only want to see railroad crossings, you will expand the environmental features in the Map Layers panel and select railroad crossings and deselect all other features. In the map layers, there are street labels to help orient you, which you can turn on or off. Thank you for your interest in the US 77 Odem Area Planning Study. Please take your time and explore the advanced route options within the map. To go back to the study page, please click the link at the bottom of this page.